Hey guys, how you doing? Adam here, aka Drone Dad. Just dropping a real quick video today. I just wanted to go ahead and post this. If you didn't know, we are actually in the process of building a house, and just the other day they finally broke ground after nearly 5 months of getting paperwork, permits, all that together. It's been a huge headache, so it was a huge relief to finally see dirt being moved. So figured I'd make a little video about it. Hope you enjoy it. By the way, if you didn't notice yet, I now have a super thanks button on these videos. If you feel so inclined, you want to support the channel, go ahead and give a little bit of something. If not, no big deal. I am going to be working on coming up with perks and things for memberships, so look out for that. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. Comment below what you might want to see in a membership tab. I would love to hear your input. See you later.